Baby, 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 you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me tryna stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover. You made me wanna take you to London, Paris. Times will cherish. No comparing to you.
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here today. It is 5:30 a.m. and I decided that if I'm going to get back into this filming, I'm going to have to do it while I'm getting ready for work. So today I already have my skincare and all my face done because I just wanted to emphasize the eyes. I got this beautiful palette from my good friend Erica for my birthday. This Ruby Obsessions by HUDA, and I have never used it, and it's got some purple. I was just feeling like doing some purple today, and I don't know that the purple is going to stand out much, but I'm going to use it. I don't know what combination I'm going to use, but one combination from this palette. So I'm going to get into it and I am going to let you see what I come up with. So thank you so much for joining me. I appreciate it so much. Let's get into the video. Welcome to my face.
Showing you what's on the aux. I'm a little scared just to let you in. Everybody's left me on a whim. Will you shy away when things get harder? Can I trust you now when I'm not farther? Where I wanna be, where I wanna go. If you end up leaving me, will you just let me know? Won't you tell me that you want it? I've been waiting for you, make the moves and then we got it. Every time you tell me, I'm like no one else you want it. I can show you the way you deserve to be on it. I can help you grow, but will you water me? I've been planting seeds that grow to bigger dreams. Don't know if I should go and give you all of me. Tell me everything and everybody who you wanna see.
I know you wanna know the places that I've been, the people I've let in. When I say I let them go, I wonder if you mean it too. That he's nothing no more to you, 'cause you saw him this morning. I bet he bought you coffee. I hate that it's better if I say it. It's selfish, I'm jealous. I hope you don't love me less. We digging to build it, something that's all our own. This wall of crooked records is beautiful, 'cause we made it together. With all our imperfections, everything we are is a reflection of this wall of crooked records.
I'm scared to let let you know my insecurities, my slate can't be wiped clean. We're learning as we grow. Sometimes I need to be alone. Sometimes I need to take it slow. I know I shut you out. I'm scared of thinking out loud. We did it, we built this, something all our own.
This wall of crooked records is beautiful, 'cause we made it together. With all our imperfections, everything we are is a reflection of this wall of crooked records. This wall of I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do. That's when I do. I guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind. When she asks about you, I hesitate every time. Every time. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do. Think about you, but sometimes I do, 'cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue, 'cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue, that's when I do. There's something about the way that you understand. need a rush and we don't need to make no plans. You say pace yourself, slow it down. I don't want to waste my days with no one else. I love how it feels. Killing time, you and I, hours, minutes, days and nights, trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I, in this moment we're alive, infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. In time, something about the way you talk with your hand. The way that you say my name when nobody's there. No, no. You say it's alright, take your space if you need a break. And if I need to disconnect, that's okay. Say no race. Killing time, you and I, hours, minutes, days and nights, trading all of our deadlines for conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I, in this moment we're alive, infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. We're in time. Killing time, you and I, hours, minutes, days and nights, trading all of our deadlines, conversations over wine. Killing time, you and I, in this moment we're alive, infatuated with your eyes and the way they look at mine. We're in time. Oh, oh.
We don't make the rules, we found holes instead.
Okay guys, so it turned out more reddy pink than purple, but I still think it's beautiful and I love the little palette, so thank you Erica. I love it, I love it. But I gotta get out of here. It's time for me to go to work. So let me get out here. I'll do quick glamour shots for you.
Baby, baby, you driving me wild, you driving me so crazy. Got me acting out, got me trying to stay sober. Wanted your love and I'm out here hungover.
Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it so much. If you did enjoy the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye guys. All right, I've got to go. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it. Blah, 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 blah.